2022 Chevrolet Tahoe RST, 47,000 miles. Hi, everyone. My name's Carter. I own Panoramic Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramAuto.com. I am back with another uncut, unfiltered, unedited, unrehearsed, off-the-cuff, what you see is what you get vehicle video. Say that 5 times fast. One owner, clear Carfax, third-party inspection, balance of factory warranty. You can upgrade that warranty very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of warranty, get pre-approved at the AutoramAuto.com. That's AutoramAuto.com. And you can be in and out of our office under 20 minutes. That's right. When you're pre-approved, you're not going to be here all day like the big dealers. In, out, 20 minutes. Seriously, there's no reason to spend all day at the dealership. We'll gladly spend all day or 2 or 3 or a week with you, whatever. You know, if you got questions, concerns, but if you want to make a quick deal, no one's faster. Got the black 22s on it. It's got the PPF on the front. I don't know if you can see that. That's always a nice sign. You know, the front's not going to be all chipped up. Black emblems. Black interior with the red stitching. Big roof. Quads. I haven't looked. Seating for 7, I believe. Google Maps. Yeah, heated seats, front and rear. Heated steering wheel. Wireless charge pad, 360 cameras. Those are some options that were hard to find in 22 with the COVID crunch. Again, 3, 2, 2. So seating for 7. Got that big roof. These are heated. Power fold, power flip. Tow package. Under that cover there, I looked. Had that front emblem illuminated. I don't know if you noticed that. Again, 360 camera. Let's talk about price. I know you're going to see similar trucks advertised for less money. Why? Because the car business is very competitive, and if you don't have the super low price, you're not first on the page. So dealers advertise their stuff at cost, below cost. Whatever they got to do, they have the lowest price. And then they get you with the hidden fees. They won't tell you about the fees on the telephone. I hate it. We don't do it. The price you see is the price you pay. Drive it away at Autorama. Price you see is the price you pay. Drive it away. That doesn't include state fees, but that goes to the state. We do have a $145 dock fee. That is not hidden. And you're going to get that money back if you say, hey, I saw the video that says we don't have to pay the dock fee. Yep, free coupon for showing this to Cory, the finance guy. So let's recap. 2022 Tahoe RST. That's the fancy one. 5.3, 4x4, seating for 7, big roof, power fold seats, 360 camera, Google Maps, remote start, Bose. You name it, it's got it all in there. One owner, clear Carfax, third-party inspected, balance of factory warranty, no hidden fees, fast paperwork, price you see is the price you pay, drive it away. I call that the Autorama advantage. Come in and experience it yourself, folks.